In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey in your Canva account. Passkeys are a newer, more secure way to sign in without always typing a password. They can use things like your device's fingerprint scanner, face recognition, or a device PIN. Once you set this up, logging into Canva can become faster and more secure, especially if you regularly work on the same device. To get started, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're already signed into your account. It's best to do this on a device you trust, like your personal laptop or desktop computer. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile section there. Go ahead and click on your profile. When you click your profile, a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to open your account settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Canva's main settings page, where you can adjust things like your account details, preferences, and security options. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see different categories. Find and click on the one related to login or security, often called login and security, or something similar. This section is where Canva keeps all the tools for managing how you sign in, including passwords, two-factor authentication, and passkeys. Once you're on the login and security page, scroll until you see the passkey section. Here, Canva will show your current security setup and give you the option to add a new passkey. Look for a button or link that says Add next to the passkey option and click on it. After you click Add, Canva will guide you through the passkey setup process. What you see next may depend on your browser and device. You might be asked to confirm using your device's built-in security, like a fingerprint, face unlock, or a PIN. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure you allow your browser to create and save the passkey. When you're done, Canva will confirm that the passkey has been added to your account. From now on, when you log in on this device, you may be able to use that passkey instead of typing your password every time. That's all it takes to add a passkey to your Canva account.